Hello Jammers, it's my Animal Jam, but sadly my other Animal Jam had expired. It's getting updated, so I installed Animal AJ Classic instead. So this is the November update. So it's nice to be here. So Alpaca wants to see the Diary of a Wimpy Kid animated movie at Landmark Cinemas or Galaxy Cinemas. So let's get going on to the video. Okay, see. Twists and Turns, The Adventure. So cool. And we have Fall Eggs Travaganza. It will hatch in 3 days, and you might see it just like in the news. And it's obviously very cute. And we go in the shop, and they have maple leaf stepping stones and autumn stepping stones. And we have stone carved chair. No, those are the classic items. So when you drag a den item to this side of the screen to this side of the screen, so just like what Zoe from the Scratch Team says. And I hope you guys have a thanks for watching. You better like, subscribe, and comment. And goodbye!